Hello, welcome to Angular step-by-step course. Today we will discuss about NgOnInit method lifecycle hook. This NgOnInit lifecycle hook managed by Angular, and it is called to show that Angular is created a component. Actual business logic performed in this method, we need to import on it use this method. So this hook is called after Angular has initialized all the data bound properties of a component, and it is good place to perform initialization logic. It is commonly used to fetch data from the server also. And this hook will call after constructor and ng-on changes. This hook will trigger at once but when component is created. And this NgOnInit hook is called when the first change detection is run on the component. After the first run, it is switched off, never to be run again. It is the best practice to add our initialization logic here. So we can see an example here, and we can compare with the constructor too. Yeah. Here NgOnIt lifecycle hook. So I will show one. I will add child component app user here, and after that I can bind with the value wish. Okay, this wish will be placed in the TSP. Variable code, and we can place some other input decorator. And here you can give value. Yeah, here you can see welcome to variable code. TS file, you can remove this. Okay, so actually you can implement the constructor method here. Constructor, the constructor console.log constructor calling. So and after that you have to implement on inits, refresh, implement on init. Okay, you can check here. Yeah, here constructor is calling first, and after that NgOnInit is calling. So the main we can use NgOnInit for the initialization. Constructor is used to inject the dependencies, API calls to inject all the services into the constructor. This is known as dependency injection. Mostly we are using the constructor for that dependency injection. NgOnInit is called at once, so it is better to add a logic here. So we are using NgOnIt for the giving logic of a component. So I will show a difference between the constructor and NgOnInit here. For example, actually this dot value, this dot value. For example, if you given like some value, hello everyone, so control Z. Yeah, so you can see the difference between this. So here in the constructor you can see hello everyone is showing, but welcome to variable is showing in the NgOnInit. So this is the difference. If constructor is only used for the class only, so this is a TypeScript feature, not a lifecycle hook. So it will handle the only in the constructor only, so which is used for the dependency injection, not for the initialization. So here we have taken some input value from other component. We have given this wish here, this will be shown in the NgOnInit. The logic is implementing in the NgOnInit only. So that is the difference between the constructor and NgOnInit. We better to use initialization and NgOnInit only. If sometimes we can use constructor also, but it will handle the only particular component, not for the whole application. So the better to use the NgOnInit. So thank you for